In this video, we will show you how to apply for New Mexico public draw hunts. Before applying, please read the Rules and Information booklet to learn about important requirements, deadlines, and rule changes for the upcoming license year. A separate tag is now required in addition to the printed license for all big game and turkey hunts. Hunt codes and dates can change from year to year, so be sure of your hunt choices because you can't change them after submitting your application. Be sure you filed all your mandatory harvest reports or your applications will be rejected from the draw. Okay, let's get started. First, go to the New Mexico Department of Game and Fish website at www.wildlife.state.nm.us. Now click Customer Login at the top of the page. This will bring you to the login screen. In the appropriate box, enter your username or customer ID number. Then enter your password and click the Login button. Click Draw Hunt Applications in the main menu. Next, click the Apply Now for Draw Hunts button. On this page, you will indicate whether you're creating a new application or attaching to an existing application. If you are attaching to an application, check this button and enter the application number and attach code from the existing application. If you're applying alone or creating an application that others will attach to, check this button and click Continue. Now click here and select your desired draw from the drop-down menu. If you selected Draw 2, you're required to purchase a game hunting license. You must indicate whether you can legally possess and hunt with a firearm in New Mexico. There are several options listed on this page. Click the Add to Order button in the appropriate option. If you plan to hunt migratory birds in the upcoming license year, check this box and you'll be directed to the Harvest Information Program survey. The stamp package includes the habitat management and access validation required for hunting, fishing, and trapping anywhere in New Mexico, and the habitat stamp required for hunting, fishing, and trapping on Forest Service and BLM lands. Check this box to add the stamp package to your order. Purchasing the stamp package will ensure that you have everything you need to hunt big game if you're successful in the draw. Check here to have the fees for the game hunting options refunded if you are not successful in the draw. New Mexico residents can choose the combination game hunting and fishing license and will also be able to select the second rod validation. No refund is available for this option. When you're finished with this step, click Continue. On this page, you can edit your selection, or if you're satisfied with your game hunting options, click Add to Cart. You will now have one item in your shopping cart. Next, you'll select the species you want to apply for. We'll use elk as an example. Now you'll enter your hunt choices. First, select the weapon under hunt type. In this case, we're selecting any legal weapon. Next, select the hunt code. You can enter up to 3 specific hunt choices, and you may choose different hunt types on the same application. For deer and elk, you can choose a quadrant of the state as a 4th choice, but you must be willing to accept any hunt in this quadrant. If you don't want a 4th choice, select I do not wish to enter a 4th choice. No refunds will be offered if you draw a 4th choice hunt. For some species, a 5th choice is also available. You must indicate whether or not you wish to be placed on a list for population management hunt opportunities. If unsuccessful in the draw, you'll receive a refund for the license fee, and if you're later called for a population management hunt, you'd be asked to purchase the license at that time. Once you've selected all your hunt choices, indicate whether the hunt is guided or not. No will be selected by default. If you select yes, you'll be asked to confirm that you have a signed contract with a registered outfitter, and you'll need to enter the outfitter number and select where the tag will be mailed. If paying by check, you can also select where the refund should be sent. In this example, we'll select no. Before continuing, you'll need to review the address we have on file for you. A tag will be mailed to all successful draw license applicants. If you draw a bear or turkey permit, you'll need to purchase the appropriate licenses and stamps separately when they become available for the new license year that begins April 1st. Please verify that you will receive the tag by mail at the address you've provided. Edit the address if necessary, then click the box confirming that the address is correct. Then click Add to Cart if you're ready to continue. You'll now see 2 items in your shopping cart. You can apply for another species by clicking the Apply for Another Species button and repeating the steps we've covered. When you've added all your applications to the shopping cart, scroll up and click on the shopping cart icon. You will be given one last chance to edit or delete an application. Once you've paid for an application, you can't change any of the hunt choices. If you're ready to complete the process, click the Checkout button and check the box to acknowledge the terms. Select your method of payment. You may use a major credit card, debit card, or checking account. In this case, we'll use a credit card. Enter your credit card information and click Continue. If your payment is accepted, you'll see a message at the top that says your order has been successfully processed. This completes your application. If others will be attaching to your application, they will need the application number and the attach code. You can click My Purchases in the main menu at any time to view and print your receipt, review your applications, or retrieve application numbers and attach codes. Draw results will be available online or by phone in late April. Check the website for specific dates. Thank you for supporting New Mexico's wildlife by applying for draw hunts, and good luck!